Hi guys, today Chevrolet presents the redesigned all-new 2024 Chevy Trax RS, a new cutting-edge technology option for customers looking for the practicality of a compact SUV. The all-new Trax RS is powered by a 1.2L turbocharged inline-3 engine producing 137 horsepower GM estimates and 162 lb-ft of torque. It is matched to a proven 6-speed automatic transmission. The turbo contributes to excellent on-demand power, particularly for on-ramp passing and acceleration maneuvers. Price: all model at a starting MSRP of only $21,495. Exterior design. The bold exterior shows that modern and stylish design doesn't have to be expensive. At the front, a sleek horizontal line emphasizes the vehicle's width and is designed around the iconic Chevy bow tie line in the center of the grille, which flows outward to the Blazer-inspired slim headlamps featuring new LED lighting elements. Chevy's signature high-eye LED daytime running lights make the Trax more visible, day or night. Interior design. Additional new features on most trims including start button, automatic climate control, wireless phone charging, 11-inch diagonal infotainment color touchscreen, and an 8-inch diagonal driver information center. 2 RS features red accents on the seats and a racing-inspired flat-bottom steering wheel. RS and Active trims feature black bowtie emblems, automatic climate control, push-button start, and added rear seat USB ports. Available sunroof. Connect Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to the infotainment system. Center console with ergonomically optimized shifter location. An electronic parking brake opens up more storage space in the console for bottle holders and 2 cup holders. Heated front seats, steering wheel, and outside mirrors are standard.